number 18, I decided to come back to our chart and continue doing it together. So we are on this 18th round and we start with the raising loop. And then we make, as usually, this cluster to narrow our room. And 3 front post double crochet into each. And into the last one again the cluster. Then we have to make 2 loops, 1 double crochet and 2 loops again, and we continue the same pattern with the roam. Nothing is new here. The only thing you need to be really careful is that after each 2 roams we have the arch of only 2 chains. Let me show you. The raising loop, the cluster, one unfinished, the second unfinished, 1 top. Then 3 pieces as usually, 1, 2, and 3, and cluster again, 1 unfinished, second unfinished, 1 top. In here we make 2 loops and a double crochet into the chain, just under the chain, 2 loops again, and the same manipulation with the next room. We narrow it, making the cluster first, three pieces of front post double crochet into the 3 of the previous round, three, and a cluster again, 1 unfinished, second unfinished, 1 top. So between those 2 rows we have 1 double crochet. In between here only 2 loops. That's the only thing we have to be careful with. And I'll see you in the end of the round. In here we have to make 2 loops and a slip stitch into the top of the cluster. Find the top, be careful, this one, and a slip stitch.